to me on Instagram after I posted my long-term ownership review video of the Ninja 300, and they asked me that is the stock headlight good enough, because apparently the BS6 version, even though the prices have been bumped up a lot, it still does not come with LED setup. And on motorcycles which are like less than 1/4 of the cost of this, like 100, 110cc, 125cc commuters, they also get LED lights. So people did ask me, and I also wanted to change it. Now, don't get me wrong, the stock headlight setup is good enough, it does a decent enough job, but then when you have traffic, oncoming traffic with the high beams turned on, it gets really difficult to see what's in front of you. So to avoid this, I had this pair of auxiliary lights, if you can see it here, but then off late we've been having some problems with the cops, so that's the reason why I wanted to take them out and swap this with the this one. This is called the Night Eye. So I got it from Amazon. The reviews are really good. So let me quickly show you a couple of shots that I have taken yesterday evening to understand how the stock headlight works, and then we'll swap the lights with this, and then we'll see if this makes any difference or not. So let's get going. Okay, so this is what the stock low beam looks like, and let me switch it to high beam. So now this is high. So if you can see, it's actually illuminating the lower part of the road, not the straight part, right? So if you see here, so this is your low beam, this is your high beam. Let me take this out, and I'll show you at one more place how does the low and the high beam looks like. Okay, so this is another look of what the stock headlight looks like. So this is the low beam. Now we are on the high beam. Just notice it. The reason why I parked it here, because I mean, this is usually the amount of lighting that you would get on the road, perhaps a little bit lesser, because now making a video in complete darkness does not make any sense, because even a small torchlight with, it will light up the entire road if it's completely dark. So this is the high beam again, and here is the low beam. Okay folks, so there was a disaster when I was trying to put the H7 adapter clip here. There's a small clip which goes inside. There's a small yellow ring, black ring, which goes into this adapter thing, and then we push the LED light into that. So when I was trying to fit that thing in, it slipped off my fingers and it went right inside this reflector part, you can see here, and then it was visible at this part from inside. You can see this image right now. So that is what actually happened. So because of that, I had to open this entire thing on the front. If you can see this whole part, so the headlight stay was actually mounted on this over here and over here. So these are the 4 bolts where the entire headlight assembly was mounted, the whole reflector part. So now I've put it back. Let me fix this thing, and then I'll post an update as soon as this is done. Alright guys, so we are back at the same place where we shot the video for the regular halogen bulb. Now we are currently at the low beam, so if you can see, this is how it looks like. Now if we switch to the high beam, there it is. So if you see that center part of the road, whatever is right in front of us, that gets lit up very well when we turn on the high beam, as both the lights are on. Now if I have to turn on the auxiliary lights as well, so there it goes, boom. Okay, let's keep that for emergency purpose. So there it is, a quick video of the Night Eye LED headlight that I bought from Amazon H7. And would I be recommending this product? Definitely yes. If you are in the market looking for upgrading your headlights, you can definitely go with this, because Cyclops will be a little bit expensive, and I'm not sure if you can get the stock of it either, because that costs me like 7,500 or 8,000 rupees. But these lights are pretty good, keeping in mind that this is available only for 17 or 1800 rupees. You can probably get a cheaper price in your local market. So I hope that this video comes out to be of some help for some of you guys. In case if it does, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and acquaintances, and I'll see you guys again in the next one. Until then, have a really good time, stay safe, ride safe, God bless you all, bye bye.